Hello everyone, David Lee here. Today I want to talk about storytelling and just talk about how important storytelling is in design thinking. Because once you have developed an innovative solution, you have to go through that whole process of now communicating that solution to your audience. It's a medium that helps bring change as well as influence and inspires others to act. However, there are a lot of times when solutions are very difficult to explain or show because it might be really complex or might be even too abstract. According to Neil Stevenson, a portfolio director at IDEO Chicago, storytelling helps elevate the project deliverable into something everyone could relate to on a human level. Stories can help activate a sense of purpose by really connecting you to the person you're creating the product for. Basically, if you want to show how your solution can bring positive change, then you need to tell a story that connects with people emotionally. Neil also stated that a good story is about reducing it down to the essence. We can use the analogy of the stars. If you look at a sky full of stars, you can't make sense of it. If you take a few stars, link them together and make a constellation, now you've got a cool picture of a bear, and that's memorable. So the goal of telling a story is to capture the essentials, the soul of what you're trying to communicate. Last summer, I created a video that told the story of a student's learning journey. You can watch the full version of the video with the link in the description below. It was a story of a student who was asked a question by the teacher. The student started to ask herself, what do I need to know and be able to do to answer this question? Through the inquiry process, she gained the knowledge and skills she needed to answer the question, then developed a solution to the problem, and finally tested it out. The purpose of the video was to show how all the different initiatives that were being implemented, like inquiry, competencies, performance task, and embedded assessments, all work together to create a holistic learning experience for the students. Instead of seeing these initiatives as add-ons, I tried to show how all these things work together, similar to the gears you find in machines. This story only showed the essence of the idea that I was trying to communicate, the narrative of the student's learning journey, how all these great initiatives work together to create an awesome learning experience for students. Didn't talk about the day-to-day lessons or instructional strategies, but only showed the big picture. Like what the quote stated in the beginning of the video, I was trying to show how the future could look with the implementation of all these initiatives into one experience. At the same time, I featured a real student and showed her perspective of the learning experience, bringing the message to a more human level and giving the audience someone to root for, as well as using an actual unit to make the story more tangible. The video showed how all these initiatives work together to bring transformative learning to students. So to recap, storytelling is important because it shows how an idea or solution can bring positive change, showing the essence of the idea or solution clearly and visually, connecting the message at an emotional, human level, demonstrating what the future would hold, motivating and inspiring the audience to take action. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in learning more about storytelling, please check out another video I made where Chris Smith, a colleague of mine, we visited a school and helped some students learn about storytelling, how to structure it to help motivate and inspire their audience. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more education videos like this. Until next time, peace.